Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Ubuntu in a virtual machine on your Windows 10 PC or laptop in some simple steps. So first of all, open a browser. In this, we have to search for Oracle VirtualBox. Click on the first link that is available and then click on download VirtualBox 6.1. You have to click on Windows host and it will ask you for the download location. You can change it if you want to and then click on save. The download will start if you click on save. I've already done it, so I'll skip it. Now, one more thing that we need to do is download the Ubuntu ISO file. So search for Ubuntu and then click on the first official link. Here you have to click on download and then then click on the 20.04 LTS. LTS is basically long-term service. So it will give you a service of about 2 years. It will again ask you for the download location and you will have to click on save. The downloader is of almost 3 GB. So it is recommended that you have a stable internet connection. Now we have to install the Oracle VirtualBox that we downloaded a while ago and open it. So this is the type of interface that you will see after first opening. Then we'll have to click on new as we want to add a new operating system. You can name it whatever you want. You can save it wherever you want from here. Now what we want to do is we have to change it to Linux and we also have to change it to Ubuntu 64-bit. Let's click on next. Now this will ask for the RAM size that you want to give it. So the recommended is 1024, but I'll do it to 2048 so that it won't lag much. Let's click on next. Then let's keep the default options and click on next. Again, the memory must be dynamically allocated. Now 10 GB is sufficient space, so I'll click on create. So as you can see, we have created a new system. Now we just simply have to click on start. It might take a while. So now we have to select the ISO file that we downloaded. Click on add and click on this file. Click on open and then choose it. Now we have to click on start and the installation will start. As we can see, the process has started. Will take a while depending upon the processor and the RAM of your laptop or PC. As we can see, the process is completed and now you can choose the language and then click on install Ubuntu. Now we have to choose language. Again, I'll click on continue. Keep these settings as default. Click on continue. We have to again keep it on default and click on install now. Click on continue. Click on the time zone where you are in and then click on continue again. Then you will have to select a name for your computer and yourself. And again keep it as it is. I don't want this here. You'll have to choose a password. Maybe weak now. You can choose whatever you want. Click on continue. We'll copy some files and we are almost done. So as we can see here, the installation is complete and now you can restart it. It will just run some commands and restart our operating system. Click on enter. And that's it. We have got our login page. Click on your name. You'll have to type in the password. That's it. We have successfully installed and set up Ubuntu. You can just skip this step. And that's it. We have Ubuntu in our laptop in a virtual machine. And now you can successfully log out of it.